Welcome to 5-Minute Tech Clash. Today, we're bringing you an exciting showdown between the Huawei Watch D2 vs Apple Watch Series 10. First, start with features. First up, body materials. The Huawei Watch D2 is made from aluminum alloy, while the Apple Watch Series 10 gives you the option of aluminum or titanium for a more premium feel. Size matters, right? The Huawei Watch D2 measures 48 by 38 by 13.3 millimeters, while the Series 10 offers two sleek options, the 42 millimeter at 42 by 36 by 9.7 millimeters, and the 46 millimeter at 46 by 39 9.7 millimeters. Moving to weight, the Huawei Watch D2 weighs a light 40 grams, while the Series 10 is even lighter at 34.4 grams for the 42 millimeter and 41.7 grams for the 46 millimeter. For display size, the Huawei Watch D2 comes with a 1.82-inch screen, but the Series 10 takes the lead with 2.1 inches for the 42 millimeter and an impressive 2.4 inches for the 46 millimeters. And let's talk resolution. Huawei delivers 480 by 408 pixels, while the Series 10 hits 430 by 352 pixels on the 42 millimeter and 484 by 396 pixels on the 46 millimeter. When it comes to PPI density, Huawei wins with 347 PPI, edging out the Series 10's 326 PPI. Now, brightness. The Huawei Watch D2 maxes out at 1500 nits, but the Series 10 shines brighter at 2000 nits. Both, of course, support always-on display. The Huawei Watch D2 is packed with a 9-axis IMU sensor, heart rate monitor, ECG, ambient light sensor, barometer, temperature sensor, differential pressure sensor, and even a Hall sensor for added functionality. On the other hand, the Apple Watch Series 10 takes a more health-focused approach. It has electrical and optical heart rate sensors, a temperature sensor, blood oxygen monitoring, a compass, an always-on altimeter, accelerometer, gyroscope, ambient light sensor, plus some water-specific features like a depth gauge and water temperature sensor. Platform. Huawei uses a proprietary chipset, while Apple has the S10 chip and U2 chip. OS, Huawei runs Harmony OS, and Apple uses watchOS 11. Memory and storage, Huawei has 32 megabytes RAM, 4 gigabytes storage, and Apple offers 1 GB RAM, 64 gigabytes storage. Battery capacity, Huawei has a 451 mAh battery capacity, Apple packs 282 mAh and 308 mAh 46 millimeters. Battery life, Huawei lasts 6 days, Apple up to 36 hours. Charging time, Huawei takes 2.5 hours, Apple just 1 hour. Water resistance, Huawei is IP68, Apple is 50-meter water resistant. Connectivity, Huawei supports Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, NFC, while Apple adds cellular, Bluetooth 5.3, Wi-Fi 4, GPS, NFC. Let's talk price. The Huawei Watch D2 starts at $445, while the Apple Watch Series 10 is priced at $399 for the 42 millimeters and $499 for the 46 millimeters. Which one fits your budget better? Huawei Watch D2 Pros. 6-day battery life is ideal for long use. IP68 rating for solid dust and splash resistance. Apple Watch Series 10 Pros. Advanced sensors like depth gauge and water temperature. 1 hour fast charging for quick power-ups. Huawei Watch D2 Cons. Limited 32 megabytes RAM and 4 gigabytes storage. Slower 2.5-hour charging time. Apple Watch Series 10 Cons. Shorter 36-hour battery life. So, who's the winner? The Apple Watch Series 10 takes the crown with its sleek thickness, larger display options, advanced sensors, higher RAM and storage, and faster charging time. But if battery life is your top priority, The Huawei Watch D2 is unbeatable with its 6-day runtime. Which one matches your style and needs? Let us know. If you enjoyed this comparison, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Your support means the world to me. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.